Hey guys, it's Miss Bullholz, and I'm here with my two younger boys, Spencer and Grayson, and we are doing one of the music challenges from our packet of activities here to do at home for virtual learning. So the challenge was to listen to somebody read a story to you, and then you add in the sound effects. So my kids are up for this challenge. We're going to read this book called Concert because we're focusing on music and art today. Table of contents. Our class is on a field trip.
Beep, beep.
We are at a concert. What happens at a concert? People make music. Yeah, like that. Some people play instruments. They are musicians. Some people sing. They are singers. I don't know if that's singing. Is that singing?
I don't know.
Ha ha ha, yes, that's what we do. Ha ha, sing.
We go to a music hall. Shh, it's time to be quiet. The conductor is here.
Let me swing around my little stick.
Okay. What does he do? He directs the musicians.
He waves a tiny stick.
He waves a stick. They watch him. Here's the conductor. They begin to play.
It's called a conductor.
There are all kinds of concerts. Sometimes people dance. They play drums. Boom, boom.
Oh.
Didn't. Why is it?
Sometimes people sing. They are in a choir. Beautiful. We go to a park. A band plays music. Wow, it is great. What happened to my drums?
I don't know.
We lost the drums. Music stops. We clap. Everybody clap your hands. Let's go again soon. The end. Now we have a picture glossary of all of the
Things we learned.
vocabulary in the story. I would say this story is good for young kids. I don't know why they don't also show us the names of the instruments. I think that's pretty interesting. Like, for example, I don't remember the name of this drum. Do you remember the name of this drum?
It's a drum shit.
There's a name for it.
Oh.
I want to say a
Bongo drum?
timpani. I'm not a music teacher. And then this big,
Cello.
that's a cello. It looks like a
A
big
giant
violin.
violin.
So I think they should have added in those vocabulary words.
What about the flute?
Do you see a flute?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. And that is our musical story.
Yay!
Ooh. Now we can go to factsurfer.com, type in concert, and then you can get a list of websites that teaches you more. Nicely done. Finish book. The end. Bye for now.
Bye.